Hello, my name is Harrison Barkley, and this is a video for the rehearsal sheets of Task 1, Project 3. So what you see here is the progress that was done on the 4th of December 2023, which is the first rehearsal sheet. So the aim for this session was to begin writing and recording the intro guitar, the electric guitar for the intro section of the instrumental, as well as kind of laying out the structure of the rest of the instrumental. So kind of, this is the intro here, the middle section, the short pause between the middle section and the outro, and right here is the outro. So my aims for this session was to start to add guitar to my composition for Project 3 by plugging it into Logic through an interface in the Logic room, as well as to come up with a rough arrangement for the composition. So the arrangement is shown here in the drum track in Logic at the top. Okay, so moving on to the progress in the next session that took place on the 5th of December 2023. So the aims for this session were to add more guitar layers to the first section, which you see here, there are a lot more guitar tracks present, and to begin working over sections of the song as well as the last section of the song. So what I meant there was to, right, so this is the outro here, this is the synthesizer melody. So the outro is to be based on this synthesizer here, so the melody right there. And that was the plan for that session, to get more guitars recorded for the intro, which is seen right here, and to write that melody for the outro. So that was a successful session. So the next session took place on the 6th of December, so the next day, 2023. So the aims for this session is to write and record electric guitar to accompany the synthesizer melody in the last section of the instrumental, as well as to program a simple bass line with the MIDI keyboard. So that is seen right here. Here are the guitar tracks, these blue ones here, to accompany the synthesizer melody in the outro, which is right here. So it's called Adrift in the Void, that's the name of the synthesizer. And this Stinger bass, which I recorded with a MIDI keyboard. It's just a bass sound that was in Logic that I used to record it. So that was also a successful session. Right, so the next one took place on the 10th of December, and the aim for the session was to record the middle section guitar parts, which is seen right here. It's also got an overdrive effect on it. So that was also a successful session rather. So moving on to the next session, which took place on the 8th of January 2024. And the aim for that session was to add more guitar tracks to the last section of the instrumental, both solo bits and chords. I will also re-record and try to finalize the middle section guitar. So here we have more guitar tracks in the outro section. They have also been panned left and right, and to make it stereo. Well, I duplicated the track first and then panned them left and right to then make it stereo. Yeah, so, and also this track right down here was re-recorded for the middle section, the guitar. Right, so for the last session for this instrumental took place on the 11th of January 2024. So the aim for this session was to finish the middle section. The aim for this session was to finish the middle section of the instrumental, and I was also planning to use an overdrive effect on the guitar. So it was re-recorded yet again right here. This is the final recording for the final guitar recording for the middle section, which is right there. And that was pretty successful because I got it done in time, and I was happy with what I got recorded in that session. So right here is the final instrumental. Everything here is what is heard in the final MP3 MP3 folder. So this is what you're hearing right here. This is all the final recordings of each instrument and synthesizer. Yeah, that is it. Thanks.